Hello, boys and girls. I'm Pilar. How are you? Okay, today we are going to play some games and we are going to review the colors. Okay, so we will come to this website and we will choose colors. Okay, very good. And now we have 5 things. We are only going to do learn and review and vocabulary. Look, if I go to learn and review, I will play video. And look.
Colors.
Black.
And
Black.
we will have to repeat.
Blue. Blue.
And then you blue, okay? And we practice.
Brown. Brown.
When we finish this, we put stop. Okay? And we go to games menu. Okay? And we go to vocabulary. And here we have 3 games. 1, 2, and 3. Look, this one, time click. We come here, we choose easy, okay? And we have more time. And this one.
Easy.
And look, we press go. Are you ready?
Yellow.
Yellow. We will have to find yellow.
White.
White. Where is white? Here.
Brown.
Brown.
Red.
Red.
White.
White. Okay, do you understand? Then we can do another game. We go again to vocabulary and we have a memory game. Okay, we will choose this one. Match picture, picture. There are lots of cards. Pay attention.
White.
White. I will have to find where is the other white.
White.
Wow, I was lucky. Now,
Blue.
blue. Let's see where is blue.
Pink.
Pink. Uh-oh.
Green.
Green. Let's see.
Pink.
Pink. Oh, pink was here.
Pink. Pink.
Okay, do you understand? When we finish this one, we will go to the last game. Shut out. Okay? This one, the first we are going to choose. Okay, and we will have to press load. And then here to listen.
Red.
Red and whoop, red.
Nice shot. Great job.
Okay, now we put next round. Okay, we listen.
White.
White and then load. Where's white? Here. Okay?
Great job.
I hope that you understand it. Okay, and remember to review the songs from Monday. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend.